you have one Igbo, one or two Igbo people having issue with government based on property, based on land and all that need to stop. We cannot be a victim in another man's land and also come to our own land and become a victim. I would love to advise that whoever that is responsible, be it government of any state or any individual or the real estate developers who are in charge of that land, that estate, need to do the needful. You cannot demolish thousands of houses that worth millions in this bad and hard economy in the country, and you expect people to be happy. A lot of Igbos houses and properties have been destroyed in Lagos. Coming down to east, we experiencing the same thing, and again, it's not advisable at all. And I don't know why state governments will keep quiet. People are building, spending money in on that land,